Bakit kayo nandito? Christmas party, saan? Jollibee! Okay. May mabayad kayo dito? Wala! Okay, so, si Ate Shai will find a way on how you come to have a Christmas party in Jollibee. So, volunteer or offer sponsorship for you here para makapag Christmas party tayo dito sa Jollibee. So, welcome everyone for our Christmas party or children Christmas party here in Jollibee. I hope all of you will enjoy and mabusog, diba, sa Jollibee. And I hope all of you will see Jollibee. Is Jollibee coming? Is Jollibee coming? So don't be makulit para magpakita o makita ninyo si Jollibee. Okay, sino hindi pa nakakita ng Jollibee? Okay, makikita niyo si Jollibee basta huwag kayo makulit. And I would like to thank for the sponsors of this Christmas party, especially the big Tahimik, makinig. The big part of this party is my friend Steffi in Austria. And then thank you so much for Dr. Seli Hakuba. Thank you so much for Dr. Chang. Thank you so much kay Michelle Domingo. And then others na nakapag-ambak kay Alberto Donato, si Kuya Ram, and then si Kuya Benji at si Ate Luni. Thank you so much for their generosity para magkaroon tayo ng Jollibee Christmas party today. Okay? So, sigaw tayo ng maraming salamat sa kanila. Maraming salamat. Sabay-sabay, ulitin natin. Maraming salamat po. So, I hope all of you will enjoy the Christmas party today, kids. Okay? Maraming salamat, everyone. I welcome dito. Yeah, how many kids?
53.
53 are you here? Kaya sana pag-uwi natin mamaya, buo kayong 53. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. God bless. Ayan, palapakan naman natin.